say hello, they say aloha, they say bonjour. I'm about to kill this shit, I think I need an encore. These other rappers need to focus on their songs more. If you ain't faded, then you need to hit the bong more. I said I'm fly, get the words in. Someone bring the herbs in. Chicks is like the plane, only like them if they virgins. But I exquisitely quote, been through slippery slopes, now I figure we toast. There's no traffic up here, yeah we run the sky. Homie, I done seen everything, London Eye. And ain't nobody fresher, semester to semester. My comment is Electra, it's high to my acceptors and bye to my professors. 20 light bulbs on the table of my dresser. G-Star, I got a crazy dumb collection. Opposing parties, you will never ruin the election. Yeah, we bring the stars out, we bring the women in the cars and the cards out. This is a toast, a celebration, bring a glass out. And we can do this until we pass out. Yeah, we bring the stars out, we bring the women in the cars and the cards out. This is a toast, a celebration, bring a glass out. And we can do this until we pass out.
Look at me, I've been a cheeky bastard, man, and look at all the drama we started. Now I'm in here laying on my back, saying DJ, won't you give me one more track?